This is a 1982 Corvette, and it is off of a classic Vette. We're going to make it look amazing. What this customer is doing with his interior is he has obviously changed those spoke colors to be a kind of a dark grayish brown color and wants us to match that with an awesome leather. So we do have a Porsche leather, the Agate Gray, that matches Porsche interiors that we're going to put this on. It's going to really make this stand out and look good. Once it's got leather on it, it's going to be the centerpiece of this Corvette. So let's do our transformation and then we'll take a look at what we have. Take a look at that 1982 Corvette, all completely reupholstered and cleaned up. Zoom in there and take a look at those stitches. It's got that baseball stitching on it and that brown agate leather to match his spokes. And look how nice that all lays. That's how we do it here at Craft Customs. Every quarter, every wheel is going to come out looking gorgeous. That's our guarantee. You're going to love what you get. We guarantee it. Give us a call at Craft Customs at 214-564-1170 or visit us on the web at craftcustoms.com.